Okay, welcome back to class. Today we'll be talking about NodeJS URL module. That's what we're going to be talking about. But before we go into that, let us check the node version first. Let's see the node version. Dash node version. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. Look at it. Okay, version 18.12. Okay, module not found. Let's see how we can install our module, NodeJS module. Let's see how we can install the NodeJS module. So you just type npm. When you type npm is standing for Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager, and also it shares code with other developers. It can be reused. Your own code in other projects. You can use code written by others in their projects. So that's what npm does. So npm, they are already built codes. Npm install. Let's say install g node dash modules. Install node dash modules. Then enter. So we are installing the node modules. Installing the node modules. So it's installing. Let it wrap up the installation and we'll see. Okay, we have been able to install the node modules now. And let me put you through some things. What I did first, I typed npm install node modules. If you find some error there, then you first of all type npm init. That's initiate. We have npm init. Why? Then it would create the package JSON and the package log JSON for you. So once it creates both of them, then you'll be able to work on your npm install node modules. And for my own now, you can see it's giving me some warning. Request has been deprecated. Okay, so I have 13 vulnerabilities. To address all issues, run npm audit fix. So I'm going to run npm audit fix now. npm audit fix, and I click enter. Yes, so it's going to go through and it's going to fix all the vulnerabilities for me. Okay, breaking changes. Okay, run. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. npm. It's just going to give you the whole process itself. You just see it pop up. And you see, okay, no vulnerabilities. Everything has been cleared. Everything has been sorted. Okay, then I just press Ctrl+C to end all. Then I clear so that I can have a clear function here. Okay, so now let me create Ctrl+N. Okay, not here. Here now, Ctrl+N. Let me create a new tab. Let me Ctrl+Save. Save. What am I doing now? NodeJS URL module. So I have NodeJS URL. Let's leave it as this. .js. Can you see my module? My module is there already. Save. Okay, now I have NodeJS URL.js. So what am I going to be requiring? Some of them they use const. It's still the same thing, but I would be using var. That's var HTTP now. HTTP, I need to require that first. Require, and I put a bracket in quotes, and I put HTTP. I'm requiring that first. Then I go to the next one. I require my URL, var URL. equal to I require in quote also URL. I'm requiring the URL first, next rather, then I go down and I'm requiring var ADR, just like address. Yes, then I have in quotes now, I put HTTP :/localhost 8080. Then I put the question, that is, now I can put default in. Default dot, that's the path name now, dot html, default.html. Then I put month equal to, what month are we? We are in April, and year, we are in 2023 in quotes. Then I put semicolon. Then I'm going to make another request now for var variable q now equal to URL dot, the URL dot say what am I passing through, add as address, then it is true. Yes, that's the function. Now what the month, this part here, what it will do is to search what month it should help us display. So we have a path name as far as that point is concerned. Then to get months, April separate from the year, we use what we call the query. So the query helps us to search into string, help us to turn our search into string. So if I'm going to be doing that, then I just need to say this. Let's have this. Let it go down. Then what do I have? I have var q. Since I have q data equal to q dot query. Then I close this up. Then I can do console log, console.log. What is it going to bring out? Q console log q dot query. Okay, q dot data, since I have my query up already. That's q data dot month. See, so let's run it here. When you run, you have NodeJs URL.js. Now look at it. The month is April. Look at it here. It will just display here. The month is April. So if I change this to year, if I change this month here, if I change it to year, and I save and I rerun NodeJs URL.js. Look at it, 2023. So that is what it would bring out. Now we would continue to NodeJs module combination. Yes, NodeJs module combination. So that's what we're going to be running in our next class. See you in the next class.